Greetings from Asktenali, and today we will be looking at stress management, work-life balance. Sam is working as an executive in a multinational company, and he faces a lot of stress, and he is also interested in knowing how to manage work and life. So let us look at specific points which disturbs work-life balance. And we'll be starting with the first one, that is self. Who am I? Because the life is related to me, the work is also related to me. It concerns me. So I have to understand who am I, and for the professional purpose, it can be said as who you are in terms of your strengths and weaknesses. Strengths help us face challenges. Weaknesses leads to challenges. So I work on my strengths. I keep on increasing my strengths. I learn newer and newer strengths. I empower myself, try to understand, and also work on my strengths. Weaknesses, I identify them, try to eliminate them if possible, or not, try to manage them. Work. Work is a part of life that gives us bread and butter and helps us take care of ourselves, our families, our needs, our requirements, our comforts, and also bit of luxuries. Some people are very obsessed with their work, and even at the cost of neglecting their family, and that becomes stress. That's what we say. If you get up in the morning, don't feel like going to work, there is something wrong at the workplace. And at finishing the work, if you cannot feel like going to home early or probably on time, we say there is some problem at the home front. There was this gentleman, and he was going on working and working, and was very dedicated, and he achieved many professional success. But at the family, his contribution was almost negligent, and the family missed him a lot when they wanted him, but he was so busy that probably his family lives suffered. So we have to keep a balance, but not going to work is also very difficult. It puts a lot of stress on the family. Start enjoying what you do, or you do what you enjoy, because many of the time you may not have a choice to select the kind of work you would like to do because of so many other factors. But if you happen to work, please ensure, start liking what you do. Family is very important, and we should not neglect the family. And our entire life, the family supports us in difficult times, and also when we are happy, we need a family to celebrate with. So family is equally important. Take care of your family and start spending quality time rather than quantity. So ensure that you have got enough time to spend with your family, and that will come when you manage your work successfully. You're fully capable of completing the work in the given task or the given task within the specific time frame. Only when it exceeds or extends beyond the work and the time allotted, that it interferes with your family time. So empower yourself to finish the task efficiently, effectively, and with the time management skills, you will be able to give both time to your work as well as to your family. Money is very important, and that is why we all go to work, and I think all of us need money, but how much money? So having smart goals will help you manage work and life better, because you need to have goals, and for that you need money. And so once they are smart, you'll be able to achieve them and also have work and life balance. Some people say, I don't need any money. That is also not acceptable, because we do, to live and to take care of ourselves and our family, we need money. So when a balanced approach towards money, we need not be greedy, we need not be chasing money throughout the life. Money is an essential tool to get happiness and to have a proper work and life balance. Friends, some people have so many friends nowadays. You find them on social media, hundreds and hundreds of friends. They don't have time even for their own specific work or for their family. And they spend a lot of time with their friends at the cost of even their work or family. And some people don't have any friends. So that is not also not acceptable, because we need friends in life with whom we can share, we can care, and share your experiences. So friends are also important part of life, but have good quality friends. Health, and today I think this is a major factor, because if health is lost, everything is lost. So you need to focus on your health, start living healthy, start doing exercises to keep your body fit, eat right kind of food rather than junk foods. And today people are aware that right kind of food leads to a healthy life. And once you are healthy life, you'll be physically fit, mentally fit. You'll be able to do your work better, take care of your family better, and also enjoy life. Bad health disturbs both, or rather, it creates stress at one level and also disturbs work and life balance. So take care of your health. Start doing exercises. Many types of exercises are available today. Understand how much calories we need. Avoid junk food. Avoid unhealthy food. Stay healthy. Live healthy. Entertainment. That is also required in life. But I find people today spending a lot of time on not so healthy or the right kind of entertainment, as I would say. Some people go on playing, they go on binge watching movies, or spending on unwanted games, rather than focusing what is good for both the mind and the body. So they are beautiful things. Entertainment can involve reading good books, motivational books, watching great movies, great personality stories, and also motivational stories. That will help you not only to avoid stress, but also help you empower and balance between work and life. So you can visit our website for more